Hello everyone, so this is how you can generate an image with a Studio Ghibli style with Google Gemini. So recently there's a trend of people creating images using Studio Ghibli style, but unfortunately those creation has been blocked by OpenAI recently. So now what you gotta do is go to a different chatbot so that you can generate your images with Studio Ghibli style. So we are now here at gemini.google.com using the 2.0 Flash model. So this is completely free, and what you got to prompt is just, can you generate something what you want to generate in a Studio Ghibli style. That's it. So it's very simple. Let's say a girl riding a red Chinese dragon, and then just enter. Yep, so it will take a few seconds to generate, and here you go. Here is this red Chinese dragon in Studio Ghibli style. So let's say I want to create, let's say just copy this same prompt and then paste it here, and then change it to the Avengers in Studio Ghibli style. Okay, so just enter. It will take a few seconds to generate. Okay, so this is how it looks like, even though it's not exactly looks like, but it has the style at least. However, right now they are still not able to transform your image to Studio Ghibli style, so that one you probably need to wait for a bit. So right now there are a few limitations. First of all, you can't generate popular celebrities images, but as an alternative you can describe that person's features in detail and then generate it. Okay, so there's actually another website that you can also do this Studio Ghibli filter, but if you upload your photo, it can transform your photo into the Studio Ghibli style, just like this, which is honestly pretty good. So it is called insminds.com Studio Ghibli filter. So you just need to click on your upload your photo. Let's say I want to upload this Leonardo DiCaprio photo, and then I'll just choose Ghibli and click on generate. And then it will pops out that I need to sign up, but when you sign up you get free credits. So alright, so once you sign up you can generate. So you have 3 credits, so each of it will use 1 credit. If you pay $5.83 per month, you get 100 credits per month, and then you can get your 3 days free trial as well if you want to just try it out. But for free, if you want, you can just create a few accounts, and then yeah, so your free account has 3 credits. So if you want to create more and you do not want to pay, you can probably just create more accounts and just sign up. And then let's wait for it to turn our photo into Ghibli style. Okay, there you go. This is your Ghibli style photo of Leonardo DiCaprio. Honestly, not too bad. The fingers are a bit crooked, but overall it's still not bad. If you want, you can try out all these different kind of for specific poses: baby, a girl, your animals, or your family even. There's a lot of this that you can choose from, and although you can download Ultra HD, you can just download for standard and then save it anywhere you want. And there you go. This is how you transform your image into Studio Ghibli style. So I'm JJ from Zeroverse. Thank you for watching. If you find this valuable, make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more videos like this, and then if not, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.